Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Nelly. So I forgot to film an intro and an outro for this video, so I just figured I would tell you guys what was going on in this video. So basically in this vlog we are road tripping back to Arizona from Las Vegas. This is like a continuation of last week's vlog. We went to the Hoover Dam for the first time, which was really awesome. You guys will see what else we do in this vlog. Peace. Alright you guys, we're at the Hoover Dam now. It's really cool actually. I've never been here before and it's beautiful. I'm tired, it's hot, I'm exhausted. My feet are killing me. But it's awesome. Look how pretty it is. Look how big this dragonfly is. It's probably dead though. They don't look alive. I want to find out if it's dead or alive. Oh, that's oh no, it's dead. Okay. Okay. Kind of want to see how long it would take a penny to get down there. So, here's a penny. Ready? Wow. Was so cool. Okay, so I didn't spend that much time at the Hoover Dam. I maybe spent a good 20-30 minutes there because I nearly passed out of heat stroke. So I was like walking and I started like not feeling well, and then all of a sudden I felt like super like shaky and like super overheated and hot, and I was like, oh no, I think I'm gonna pass out. So I finished walking to the end of the bridge and then I turned back around, right? I ran into my cousin and I was like, yo, I'm going back. I'm about to pass out. And he just like looked at me and he's like, holy shit. Because like I was super pale and like that's how you know I'm about to pass out, is like when I get pale. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna go back now. So I went back to like the information center or the guest center, whatever it's called, where like the gift shop is in the Hoover Dam, if you've ever been there. I went back there and I met up with my family and I stood in front of the big industrial fan. Like that thing was huge. I just stood there for like 10 minutes trying to like cool myself down because I legit thought I was gonna pass out. It was bad. I mean, I was like this close to passing out. If I didn't get water, I would have passed out. Love that for me. But yeah, that's why I didn't vlog very much, and that's why in the next few clips you'll see me being very pale and like low energy because of like I almost passed out. So yeah. We're finished. Alright, 5:00. Welcome to Arizona, baby. Welcome back to the vlog. So last night we got back home from Vegas and that was really fun. The road trip was really long to get back home. As you guys saw, we went to the Hoover Dam and we were supposed to drop my cousin off at the airport last night, and we did, but he ended up changing his flight and we didn't tell my aunt. I had to go drop him off at the airport, and then a few minutes later he called me and he was like, yo, I'm gonna surprise DT, come pick me back up at the airport. I was like, okay, cool. So my aunt has no idea that he's still in town, so that's gonna be pretty exciting. I was gonna record the whole thing yesterday, but honestly I was more than half asleep. I just forgot because it was like we had just gotten back from Vegas and I was trying to eat and take care of the situation at the same time, so I didn't record it. But he's here. I'm gonna finish getting ready because right now we are going to my uncle's pool party because he's turning 60 today. I will pick up the vlog at the party. See ya. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get something from inside. A little bit. Alright, you ready? Let's go.
Oh, that's my present.
Oh shit! You did? Oh wow!
It was the last surprise.
Oh, Carlos. Look over here. Smile. Smile. Don't give me that. You look constipated. Now you just look mean. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carlos.
Story of my life.
Happy birthday to you. Blow, Uncle Carlos. Blow like you never blown before. Hey, good job. Good job, old fart. Do it again, do it again.
Okay, you done squirting me? You done squirting me? Elizabeth, like...
Watch. I'm gonna do a handstand. Oh, breathe. Alright, y'all. Now we're going bowling, and I'm winning. I'm the top one. Thomas is going now. Oh, look at him. He's gonna get into it. He's gonna get a strike. Oh, oh, oh. Or not. He got one.
It's not a cheer shot. What? It's gonna be a cheer shot.
Oh, nice.
That's the strike.
So much.
So would Jim have to work for it or like something special? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.